Over 40 and dreading waxing pain? What if I told you Brazilian waxing didn't have to hurt the way you expect? If getting a wax suddenly feels harsher than it used to, you're not imagining it. But it also doesn't mean you have to stop. It's not you, it's the method. Your skin changes after 40, it gets thinner, a bit drier, and definitely more sensitive. Most waxing methods just never adjust for that. Many women think their pain tolerance has suddenly dropped, but it's not about your sensitivity, it's about your skin changing. Let me explain. As we mature, our skin's protective barrier thins out, it holds less moisture, and it takes longer to recover from, well, anything. This is exactly why the waxing techniques that worked in your 20s or 30s might feel too aggressive now. They weren't designed for the skin you have today. But here's the good news. There is a Brazilian wax method that works with mature skin, not against it. It's not magic, it's all about the technique. But when it's done right, it can feel surprisingly gentle, almost calming. So why do so many waxing experiences feel worse as we get older? It usually comes down to a few common mistakes. The wax is often way too hot, the sections they work on are too large, and the whole process is rushed, prioritizing speed over control. This aggressive approach is what shocks the skin and causes that lingering pain and redness. It's simply too much for mature skin to handle. But the right approach changes everything. Think of it as a smarter, more thoughtful way to wax. It starts with a lower wax temperature, just warm enough to do the job without scalding or stressing the skin. Next, it's about working in smaller, more controlled sections. This gives the technician precision and prevents pulling on large areas of delicate skin. Finally, the focus is on removing the hair, not yanking the skin along with it. This controlled removal technique is what reduces that initial shock to the skin, which is the real source of the pain. It's a completely different feeling. So, what do women over 40 notice when they switch to this method? The results are immediate. There's far less redness and irritation. The skin calms down much faster, sometimes almost instantly. And because the skin isn't as traumatized, you'll see fewer ingrown hairs in the long run. You get calmer skin, cleaner results, and a much faster, easier recovery. It's about getting the smooth skin you want without the painful side effects. This is so important to understand. You are not too sensitive for waxing. You are just using the wrong approach for your skin. Pain is not the price you have to pay for beauty. You just need a method that respects your skin's needs. Now, getting the right wax is the most important first step, but it's not the only step. Even with the perfect technique, what you do in the first 24 hours after your appointment can make or break your results. That initial aftercare period is crucial for keeping your skin calm and happy. So, if you want to learn how to protect your skin and keep that smooth, calm feeling long after you've left the salon, watch the next video in this series. I'll walk you through exactly what to do, and what not to do, in those critical first 24 hours. Follow along, and let's make waxing a comfortable experience again.